Well, hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Looks like we're at it again. Paul and I going horsing about. Going to pick up my old mate Butternuts. He's been down on the runoff with the other horses. And over the last couple of weeks he seems to have gone backwards a little bit. Looks like he's got a couple of hematomas under his belly and a bit of a big vein on the side. Lost the back line, bit of scurf on his back there. So we're going to pick him up, take him back home, feed him up, and hopefully get him back on his feet. Could entail a trip to the vet yet, but I guess we'll see. So next stop, loading Butternut. See you there. Looking skinny. What's the gate? The people are here. Who's this up here? What have I got here, Smudge? Hey, Smudge. These Butternuts. Oh, I thought you'd do that. Says, how come everybody gets a feed except me? Just wormy? Oh, I won't do him any harm to have a bit of a feed anyway and get a bit of give me drench into him. Is he a bit lame or something? Is that your girlfriend? Big get together today. All this bloke's interested in is his belly at the moment. You got in for a roll in a minute. And that silver cream or whatever it is seems to be clearing up her bloody allergy or whatever it was. Welcome to your new world. Welcome to your new world. Do you remember him, Smudge? You do? I'll have him as fat as you soon. You gonna go off and check the packet? He's lame still. Big fella. Well, I've been here almost 24 hours. And that under his belly's only got, looks like he's got the one swelling there now, but it's not much. Be interesting to see if it goes away. Wouldn't be surprised if that was just swollen up because he'd been bitten by a bug or something. And the girls look on. All happy with the oat and hay. And as for Butternut, I forgot all about him. Previously, even being a gelding, he served every mare on our property. So he's gone a little bit stallionish since he's come back here with the girls. Much and all as Dutchie loves his old mate Nuts, he's much happier here with his midget herd. He's very protective of them, and he also likes his stable, so he's quite happy being here, tall and short of it, I guess. Hey Dutch.